What's up, guys? Welcome to Gray Rabbit Finance. I'm your host, Tyler, and today I'm going to be updating the Ichimoku technical analysis for the Forex markets for the week of September 22nd to the 27th. Let's hop in. Thank you, everybody, for joining me today. And for anybody who's new to the channel, I just want to say thanks for joining us, and that we also have 3 flags that I use for my analysis. And so the orange flags are going to be the ranging pairs, which I most likely will not be trading this week. The blue flags are going to be pairs that I'm waiting for the market to break out, and so I might be trading them this week or the next. But what I want to draw your attention to is the pink flags, which are my special pairs of the week, which I'm going to be looking to actively trade this week. And so, guys, I'm going to just be going over the pink flags today to keep it short and sweet. And so here we are on Euro, British Pound, and this is on the daily chart. And as you can see, we've got a nice Kumo cloud here. We got Senko Span A and B both pointing down. We've got Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen pointing down, and we have Chikou Span coming below the candles. So this is very positive, guys. This shows us that we have a trending market according to the Ichimoku system. Now, we've had price close below this support level here, which was, let me just put that there. So that was the 0.83831 level. And so with this close below, I'm looking for this breakout to continue down to my main target here, which is at the 1 Fibonacci extension, and that's the 0.82387 level. So guys, I'm going to be looking to put a position on this possibly this week. And if you guys are interested, feel free to join me at my Discord community here. You can get a copy of my free trading strategy, and you can also see some of my analysis and trades that I'm taking during the week. So feel free to check that out. I offer mentorship and also offer my trading journal and indicators. So check this out, guys. I'll put a link in the description below. But anyways, what I want you to know is that for Euro British Pound, we have a nice N wave formed. This confirmed the N wave, and we should see the trend continue down to these levels here. So keep an eye on this pair this week. This is Euro British Pound. All right, here we are, British Pound CAD. And now, guys, if you were in my Discord community, you saw last week that I called out this breakout. So this was something I put out last week. Unfortunately, I was sleeping when this market broke out on the London session, so I wasn't able to take a trade on this, but hopefully some of you guys were. But anyways, we've had a nice break out of resistance here, and we've had a nice trending market. So again, we had price close above the Tenkan-sen. And we've got the Tenkan-sen, the Kijun-sen, Senko Span A and B are all pointing up, and we have the Chikou Span now coming above the candles. So this is a beautiful trending market here on the daily chart. And so, you know, we're going to get some more continuation up, and this is the target I'm looking at up here, and this is based on a Fibonacci extension on this N wave here. So that's about the 1.272 Fibonacci extension. And so I'm expecting price to reach the 1.82694 level. And then I'm expecting the market to turn on either one of these days. So these are the Henka B. The first Henka B day is September 30th, and the next one is October 15th. So we could see either a market continuation on either of these days or a reversal. So keep your eyes on these dates. But overall, this is a beautiful trending market for British Pound CAD. And you might be able to find some good opportunities still on the lower time frames. So keep an eye on this. And if I enter any trades this week, I will let everybody know in the Discord community. Okay, guys, last but not least, this is British Pound USD on the daily chart. And as you can see, the same conditions. We've got all 5 lines pointing up. We have the blue line, Tenkan-sen. We have the green line, Kijun-sen. And we have Senko Span A and B are both pointing up, with Chikou Span here now above the candles. So we've got all of our bullish trend signals, and this is a nice bull trend here. We broke above this resistance level, which was the 1.32666 level. And now since we've had price close, I'm expecting this trend to continue up to the 1 Fibonacci extension level, and that's the 1.36036 level. And I will be trying to look for a trade this week on this pair. And in terms of Henka B or our turning days, October 2nd and October 15th, we could see possible reversals or continuations in the market. So we're going to need to pay attention closely to those days. But I expect this market to continue running up until the first week of October. So yeah, guys, these are my special pairs for the week. And I just want to thank everybody for liking and subscribing. It really helps me and my family. And now let's move on to the Forex economic calendar. And so, guys, for Monday, September 23rd, we've got some high impact news coming out for the euro and the British pound. We've got on Tuesday, September 24th, high impact news from the AUD. We've got an interest rate decision. For CAD, we have a Bank of Canada speech here. And AUD, again, we have monthly consumer price index. For the Swiss franc on Thursday, September 26th, we're going to have an interest rate decision. For the US dollar, we're going to have a GDP annualized for Q2 numbers coming out. And we have some monetary policy report hearings for the British pound. The time has not been disclosed yet. Federal Chair Powell, his speech is going to be also on Thursday, September 26th for the US dollar. And for Japanese yen, we've got the Tokyo Consumer Price Index for September coming out. And then Friday, September 27th, we've got the core personal consumption expenditures numbers coming out for August. And so keep an eye on that, guys. When these high impact news and data are being released, I always make sure my positions are protected, and I try not to take trades during these periods because the volatility can be pretty absurd, and there can be slippage on your positions, which can be dangerous. So, we're always about preserving capital, and we need to keep the risk as low as possible. And some of this data release can be very risky. So be careful. If you're trading during a news event, I would just advise you not to. But if you have to, make sure your positions are protected, because if not, it's pretty common that you get a liquidity sweep where you think you're protected with a stop loss and you get some slippage. So be careful, guys. And as always, you're welcome to join my Discord community. I'll put a link below. There you can see my live trade ideas. And you can get learning resources and other things, connect with other traders. It's really a great community, and I hope you guys join me. So until next week, guys, thank you so much for liking and subscribing, and peace.